Hello, my beautiful friends. Today we'll show you a Japanese anti-aging trick, natural masks that erase wrinkles and dark spots, even at 70. Tomatoes are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that brighten the skin, reduce fine lines, and improve texture. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss beauty secrets that really work. Let's get started. To make the base, cut a ripe tomato and blend it with 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. This creates a powerful anti-aging base. Apply it to your clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and apply your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. First recipe, brightening and smoothing. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of the tomato yogurt base, 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Benefits: gently exfoliates, fades dark spots, and evens out skin tone. How to use: apply evenly to face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then splash with cool. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Second recipe, nourishing and softening. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of the base, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, Benefits: hydrates the skin, restores elasticity, and reduces fine lines. How to use: apply generously to clean skin, including face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse gently with warm water, then cool. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Friends, write in the comments and tell us where you're watching from. Third recipe, glow and protection. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of the base, a few drops of vitamin E oil, Benefits: boosts glow, protects against damage, and nourishes mature skin. How to use: apply a thin layer to your face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Use 2 to 3 times a week. If you liked this recipe, Like the video, comment, and share it with a friend. Fourth recipe, lifting and brightening. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of the base, 1 teaspoon of potato starch. Benefits: smooths wrinkles, improves skin tone, and firms sagging skin. How to use: apply evenly to clean skin. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse well with warm water. Pat dry and apply your favorite cream. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Don't forget to subscribe. More glow-boosting recipes are coming. Fifth recipe, spot fading and tone correcting. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of the base, a few drops of fresh lemon juice, benefits: lightens pigmentation, tightens pores, and brightens the skin. How to use: apply carefully to face, neck, chest, and hands, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Use only at night and apply sunscreen the next morning. Use 1 to 2 times a week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.